समझाना पड़ता है भाई तुम्हारा बाप आमिर खान है एक बात जम्मू ने भेजा टाइगर को मेरे पास सब बेचता गया देखो आमिर से दो बातें समझ लो मेरी बच्चे जो मुर्गी दाल पर बहुत सीखा है आपसे बाबा बहुत सीखा अच्छा ये जूनियर
This is it. So Junaid, I want to say this is so special. This is so fun. We saw you in Maharashtra, okay, all of us did. And here you are. This is a completely different role. And this is a completely different you. So can we start with that?
yes, no, it is a very different role. महाराज अलग टाइप की फिल्म थी और ये काफी अलग है तो yes.
That's fantastic. खुशी?
ज्यादा बात नहीं करता ये दिखाना बाकी है फिल्म में क्या बोलूं और कोई जवाब नहीं है.
Kushi, I have to ask you. There was, something that Amir sir said when he was on stage, and he talked about it. And there is that love, What do you make of that at that point? Now that you're here, what did you feel when you were part of this film?
I think like everyone said, immediately I felt the feeling of family. And honestly, this was the most easy shoot ever. Even during rehearsals, readings, I think everyone immediately just clicked with each other and everyone was on the same page. And not once did I ever feel like, oh God, I'm getting nervous and मैं क्या करूँगी. I think everyone was very supportive and very helpful to each other. So it was definitely very special.
Fantastic. There'll be a
Exactly opposite. In every way. Junaid जो है, he's very focused at his work. He's involved in the script. Comes on time. Very hard working. पूरे opposite है सर. बिल्कुल इनका style एकदम same ही नहीं है मैम. Junaid जो है बहुत मतलब मानता है, सुनता है, works very hard. No one. सुनो ये बहुत sarcastic आदमी है. आप लोग seriously मत लेना इसको भाई. So मैं genuinely बोल रहा हूँ मला छोड़. मुझे भी सुनना है हमारे में क्या फर्क है क्या. No, I really feel like I also want to know here. The genuine quality I think that they both share is that they're both team players. You don't only get an actor when you work with Amir sir or with Junaid. I remember we were working on a scene and there was this one point when Junaid just suddenly came to me and said, "तेरा वो shot छूट गया. वो ये angle से ना तेरा कटेगा नहीं." I was like, "अरे हाँ यार वो shot छूट गया." So honestly, Junaid pointed out that happens with me with Amir sir all the time. So you don't get just an actor, you get a first AD, you get a production manager. In fact, he would come to me and say, "सुन तूने 7 की शिफ्ट रखी थी, 2 बज गए, लोगों को भूख लगी होगी." So he's a producer, he's an assistant, he's a collaborator. Of course, he's an actor who knows his lines. He sings sound security. He come and tell me, "यार, silence बोलते हैं, but cut नहीं बोलते हैं. बाहर वालों को पता कैसे चलेगा कि आप बातें कर सकते हैं?" So he's actually in that sense a team player. He's someone who, like Amir sir, passes the ball. So as far as the team wins, he's someone who passes the ball all the time. And I think in that way he's similar. Of course, yeah, like you said, बहुत सवाल पूछते हैं. That is true. But I think there's also the joy of working with someone who's very involved. He's come to dub, he's come to edit, he's helped me out with a bunch of things. He would say, मैं call कर देता हूँ, मैं करा देता हूँ, ये हो जाएगा तेरा. He would get me locations, he got me some permissions. So I'll tell you which one I'm speaking. But so in that sense, I feel like I got a collaborator. I didn't just get an actor who was involved. I got someone who was a partner in every sense of the film. So thank you, Junaid, for being that. I often call him Junaid Production Khan because he really helped me in production as well.
Well, thank you for that, Advait. Thank you, Bharti. We have next question already.
Hello. Hi, Samina here from Channel. My question is to Amir and Advait. Something like this has already one movie, which is Hey Gilme, which again talks about the confusion which leads to because of the court. If something like this subject has been kind of done already, what made you divide that? Did you see that?
No, I'll tell you, the truth is the subject for me, and that's why I called the film Lavyapa. When you're young and you fall in love, you feel everything is going to go right. You're going to get married, have kids, you then have to give up. तो निकले थे लव करने, लव्यापा हो जाता है. So लव्यापा जब होता है, it's because of the lack of trust, it's because you're looking outside, it's because you're getting tempted by something, it's because you're not being.
Would you like to share your phone with me?
I break the news about that.
I want to be patient.
that is beyond. No, but I'm actually not a big user of the phone either, actually. In fact, I'm often, my friends and family are often most irritated with me. दिनों जाते reply नहीं किया. In fact, हाल ही में पापा sent me a happy new year message, very sweet message. अभी तक मैंने reply नहीं किया उनको. ओ मैंने आपको भी हाँ sorry. Proof. So I think most of my phone will just be unanswered messages.
No, would you be comfortable sharing your phone? That was my question.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. हाँ, हम लोग सीरियल हो गए भाई.
Okay, hi, this is
We do all our cards in person.
Okay, hi, this is Bhavna from India Today. My question is to both Junaid and Khushi. Because both of your first project, the genre was so different as the Maharaj and Archie's as a subject in itself was so different, and then coming together for this film, I want to know from both of you, what was the perception that you perhaps had of each other before coming together for this project, and what did you learn throughout this process about each other as an actor?
That's interesting. What did you think of Maharaj? Have you seen Maharaj?
Yes, I love Maharaj, and I told him that I loved the video also. And it was a great film. I think what both of us have in common is that both of us like rehearsing a lot. So that's one thing we realized, because this film did take a lot of rehearsing, because most of the film we shot not in the same room because we were on the phone with each other. So the tricky part was the timing of everything. So I think it was great that we were both on the same page with that. We both like to practice and put in the time to kind of perfect something and not just rely on impulse. Yeah, I think that's one thing that was I also learned that we both are very introverted and don't like talking. So that's something.
Yes. नहीं, but also for me, जब actually सबसे पहले ये फिल्म लेके मधु सर मुझे मिले थे. He said, there's this Tamil film, why don't you watch it? I've got the rights to make it again. Make it again. तो मैंने फिल्म देखा, मैंने बोला सर फिल्म तो मुझे बहुत पसंद आई है, but are you sure you want me for this part? क्योंकि actually it's a part that's very far away from what I would normally play. Your own personality. My own personality and what I would normally go for. Yes, it's a correct thought actually. What I would normally go for, like Maharaj is closer as a part to what your instinct good at on screen. So I was like, are you sure you want me first? But then I think he definitely wanted me. Advait also seemed pretty certain he wanted me. Why, I don't know. We'll find out, I'm guessing, at some point. And at that point they were like, we want you with Khushi, and I actually never met Khushi before.
We never really spoke, or met each other.
Yeah, so I was like, sure, I mean, that's your that's your thing.
Actually, I'm remembering a few things, जब मैं एक्टर बनने से पहले, जब मैं कॉलेज में था, मुझे जितने लोग जानते थे, जब वो सुनते थे कि मैं एक्टिंग करने वाला हूँ, वो शॉक हो जाते. मैं इतना शाय था, मैं कभी किसी से बात नहीं करता था, मेरी नजरें झुकी रहती थी. I used to be a very internal introvert, जैसे both of them, you were saying. So, but I knew what was going on inside me. मेरे अंदर क्या चल रहा था मुझे मालूम. So I think when I'm observing these two, I feel the same about them. Junaid is very much like that. जब जुनैद ने फर्स्ट टाइम मुझे बोला कि भाई मुझे एक्टिंग सीखनी है, तो मैंने बोला अच्छा. मैं डाउट में था, क्योंकि उसका जैसे मैं था, he was like that, he was very, he couldn't tell that he could actually light up and give a moment. I couldn't understand that. But I trusted him and we of course supported him, and I would like to say that about Khushi, because Shri had that quality. आप श्री को मिलेंगे तो आपको लगेगा वो ऐसे बोर होके कोने में बैठी, कैमरा ऑन होता था, ठमाक ऐसी एनर्जी आती थी, आपको लगता था क्या हो गया भाई, कौन सा तूफान आ रहा है. So I think that's the quality I'm hoping both of them possess, which I see in the film, that they're very that way introverted, but when the time comes, they come on. So good luck, guys.
I think Advait had that worry also before we did a reading. He had just heard that I was very quiet and shy, and then we did one reading of one scene where I had to yell on the phone, and then after that he said, okay.
I can really real, huh? That kutte game comes from the like stomach. That kutte was, I was like, wow, yeah, बहुत गुस्सा है. But so they were really hardworking. You won't believe, Khushi came, we were shooting with Junaid in Delhi. Khushi came to Delhi to just give cues because they were on the phone and I didn't want the ADs giving cues. So she came all the way to Delhi to just give cues so that she gets the timing right. So I think they both really put
You know, at this point, I would also like to thank the producers. Yeah, Madhu, you, Shrishti, Aishwarya, all of you all. Sheetal is not here on stage, but I want to thank all of you that, you know, at the end of the day, as a father, I'm really thankful that you have given a great opportunity to Junaid as his first film and to Khushi, who I'm, you know, attached to emotionally. Thank you, you know, for that. Thank you so much for trusting them. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Our next question, please. Is there a mic already? Hi, it's there. We'll get the mic on. Just give us a second.
My name is Kavita. Firstly, congratulations to the entire cast and crew of all.
You know that when she used to come in front of me, I used to get tongue-tied. मैं मुंह नहीं खोल पाता था. It's really amazing.
Yeah, it's a loss. I wish
Thank you.
shared screen together.
Thank you.
And that would have been something for us. Thank you, Balaji.
Photo.
We have another question.
Hi. Congratulations to the entire team. And my name is Prachi Sharma. I'm from Drama Talkies.
Right here in this block.
Yes.
Thank you.
And congratulations to the entire team. My question is to Khushi and Junaid both. Because this film is about relationship, so do you, what is the idea of a perfect relationship? And Khushi, the second question to you is, what is the idea of a perfect woman in a relationship? Let's start.
Well, I don't think there's any. I don't think perfect is a thing. I think all relationships are unique. Between two people, हर रिश्ता अलग होगा. And I think they all require work. And yeah, I don't think there is an answer to that.
Yeah, I mean, I personally don't think there's such a thing as a perfect relationship. I think there's understanding, there's communicating, and then there's learning. So I think a perfect relationship is one where you understand that there are faults and where you acknowledge where each of you have gone wrong and how you can move forward. So I think that would be perfect. And I don't think it's about a woman or man. I think it's the same understanding.
Thank you so much.
रोहित किधर गया?
Ravi ji is right there.
बोला कि ना
सर आपने अपने करियर की शुरुआत की कोई लव स्टोरी जैसी फिल्में
कयामत से
कयामत तक दिल है कि मानता नहीं हमें इत्यादि तमाम फिल्में आपने की और उन फिल्मों ने आपको सक्सेस दिलाई शुरुआती दौर में. मैं कहना चाहूंगा कि लव स्टोरीज के आप कितने बड़े फैन रहे हैं रियल लाइफ में और प्यार के कितने मायने बदल चुके हैं पिछले 30-40 सालों में. आप कैसे डिफाइन करना चाहेंगे?
वाह, एक्चुअली मैं बहुत रोमांटिक आदमी हूँ. माँ कसम बहुत रोमांटिक हूँ. नहीं लगता है बोलते में, लेकिन मेरी दोनों वीडियोस हो सकती है. सच बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैं हूँ मैं एक्चुअली आई एम अ वेरी मशी रोमांटिक पर्सन. तो जो मेरी फेवरेट फिल्म्स हैं वो रोमांटिक फिल्म्स हैं. और जब मैं रोमांटिक फिल्म देखता हूँ तो मैं एकदम खो जाता हूँ. और आई एम अ रियल बिलीवर इन ट्रू लव. एंड इन दिस जर्नी ऑफ माइंड आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा. जब हम जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ते हैं तो हमारा जो डेफिनेशन है, जो हमारी समझ है, जो हमारी अंडरस्टैंडिंग है प्यार के बारे में, वो धीरे धीरे तब्दील होती रहती है. जब हम 18 साल के होते हैं उसमें एक अलग जोश, एक अलग इमोशन होता है. फिर आप समझते हैं जिंदगी को, लोगों को, अपने आप को. ये ज्यादा जरूरी है, और लोगों को नहीं, अपने आप को. ज्यादातर हम जितनी गलतियां करते हैं वो खुद की होती है. तो लगता है दूसरा आदमी गलती कर रहा है, लेकिन एक्चुअली हम अंदर नहीं देख पाते, खुद को नहीं देख पाते. तो वो मेरे लिए जर्नी रही है कि मैं खुद को टटोल पाया हूं. और मैंने इन सालों में मुझे समझ में आया कि मेरी क्या क्या कमियां रही हैं, मुझ में क्या क्या गलतियां हुई हैं, और मैंने उनको सुधारने की कोशिश की है. फॉर मी टुडे रियली प्यार का मतलब ये है कि यू फाइंड समवन हु इज योर सोलमेट, समवन जिसके साथ आप रियली कंफर्टेबल है और आपको लगता है कि मैं अपनी मंजिल तक पहुंच चुका हूं. फॉर मी दैट इज रियल लव, व्हेन आई फाइंड अ पर्सन हु आई एम रियली ऑर्गेनिकली कनेक्टेड. बिकॉज जब हम किसी को पसंद करते हैं और हमको लगता है यार इसमें ये दो चीजें ठीक नहीं है, हम इस पे काम करके हम लोग उसको चेंज करेंगे, कोई चेंज नहीं होता. हम चेंज नहीं होते, दूसरा आदमी कहां चेंज होगा? मुश्किल से लोग चेंज होते. तो जो आपको रेड फ्लैग्स दिखते हैं, वो रेड फ्लैग कभी ग्रीन बड़े मुश्किल से होने वाला है. तो आपको पहले ही सोच लेना चाहिए जहां रेड फ्लैग है हट जाओगे. और एक सेंसिटिविटी आपके पार्टनर में होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि अनबन होती है, लोगों में डिफरेंसेस ऑफ ओपिनियन भी होते हैं. लेकिन दूसरा आदमी आपसे केयर करे, आपके बारे में सोचे, तो उसको भी ध्यान है कि वो भी चाहता है कि आप आपकी तकलीफ समझे, आप उसकी तकलीफ समझें. So these are the various things that are important to me today, I think. Caring, love, and true love is when you really actually learn to love yourself. जब आप उस मुकाम पे पहुंचे, जब आप खुद को इज्जत दें सही मानों में और खुद को वैल्यू कर पाए कि अब मैं उस लायक बना हूं कि मैं किसी को अपनी जुबान दे सकता हूं, अपना हाथ दे सकता हूं. जब आपको लगता है आप उस काबिल हुए, तब आप तैयार हैं. हम अक्सर ढूंढते हैं कि दूसरा आदमी काबिल है कि नहीं, तो पहले अपने आप को काबिल बनाना है. जब आपको लगता है अब मैं सही हूं, तो जब आप उस मुकाम पे पहुंचेंगे, फिर आप अपना दिल भी इतनी लाइटली देंगे नहीं. आप भी सोच के देंगे कि भैया मैं इस मुकाम पे पहुंचा हूं, मैं भी उसी को दूंगा जो इस बात की इज्जत करेगा. So for me that has been the journey. I hope it wasn't a very boring answer.
No. I want to be. Thank you for the TED talk on love. Totally not expected.
फादर और सन का जो ड्यू है हम यहाँ पे स्टेज पे देख पा रहे हैं, बहुत बखूबी देख पा रहे हैं. पर जोर से दोनों के सपोर्टिव, लाइक एक जो फादर एंड सन का जो रिलेशन है जो यहाँ पे हमें दिख पा रहा है, वो बिहाइंड लाइक घर के अंदर कितना रहता है. कभी जुनैद आपके पास आया है कोई स्क्रिप्ट लेकर कि प्लीज टेल मी कि मुझे ये लेना चाहिए, नहीं लेना चाहिए? बीइंग द स्टार किड, मतलब उनके पास बहुत ऑप्शंस आते होंगे, राइट?
एक्चुअली घर पे हम लोग ऐसे ही हैं, कोई फर्क नहीं. और काम के मामले में जुनैद अपने डिसीजंस खुद ले रहे हैं. मैं हमेशा हूं उनके लिए, बट वो अभी तक तो नहीं आए मेरे पास. पापा ये स्क्रिप्ट करो कि नहीं करो, नहीं आए. और वो अच्छा है, उनको अपने डिसीजंस खुद लेने चाहिए. जो अगर गलतियां हो, अगर सही हो, जो भी है वो उनको अपना रास्ता खुद ढूंढना है और तय करना है, और वैसे ही होना चाहिए. बट ऑफ कोर्स आई एम ऑलवेज देयर इफ यू एवर नीड माय एक्सपर्ट एडवाइस.
ये अभी तक पता नहीं था आपको.
समझाना पड़ता है भाई, तुम्हारा बाप आमिर खान है, जम्मू ने भेजा टाइगर को मेरे पास, सब बेचता गया, देखो आमिर से ज्यादा 2 साल, वो बातें समझ लो. मेरी बच्चे जो मुर्गी की दाल पर बहुत सीखा है आपसे पापा, बहुत सीखा.
अच्छा, ये जुनैद एंड खुशी आप दोनों के लिए है. बिकॉज आपके पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस आते हैं स्क्रिप्ट्स के. हाउ डू यू सिलेक्ट अ स्क्रिप्ट? एंड लव्यापा के अंदर ऐसा क्या एलिमेंट है जो आपने सिलेक्ट करी?
वैसे इतने सारे स्क्रिप्ट्स नहीं आते. मैंने महाराज की शूटिंग 2021 में कंप्लीट की, उसके बाद 2 साल मैंने शूटिंग नहीं की, तो इतने भी स्क्रिप्ट्स नहीं आते. बट आई थिंक स्पेशली इस मुकाम पे व्हेन वी आर स्टार्टिंग आउट, अच्छी फिल्म मिले, अच्छे लोग मिले काम करने के लिए, बहुत बड़ी बात है. और फैंटम ने काफी सारी बहुत कमाल की फिल्में बनाई हैं.
And I think the original film was great.
Original film was great. There is a fantastic director. Actually, both your producers have got a string of hits. The Phantom की जो Queen है, मतलब what are the films this Phantom has produced? Tell us. उड़ता पंजाब, Super 30, मस्तानी. क्या मतलब Phantom ने एक से एक फिल्में बनाई हैं. Producers, fantastic director, amazing cast of people. मतलब Kiku sir, I mean, I'm a huge fan. Ashutosh ji, I'm again a very very big fan. तो मतलब अरे माँ की वैल्यू नहीं होती.
Rusha ji, I'm a huge fan. नहीं बट लाइक तो ऐसे मौके नहीं मिलते रोज हर किसी को तो आई एम थ्रिल्ड सर लॉट्स ऑफ
No, same. What he said.
They're quite a team, but I'm sure they want to hear from you, Rishi.
No, I think immediately after watching the film, there wasn't even a question about it, and knowing the team behind it, I don't think it was something that I had to decide to choose or not. It was a pretty clear answer.
Well, thank you so much. Do we have time for
One last.
Let's take another couple of questions.
One last.